So I predict it's going to hit a little bit high because that's where it hit last time, but we'll see. Yeah, high and to the left, right? I can see through my scope a little where it hits. On this camera, of course, it has like super zoom, so I'll adjust it right now. I'll stop this for a second. Okay, so I adjusted 2 down and 1 to the right. So let's see where I hit now. Because I'm a pretty good shot, so I don't think it's me. I think it's the gun almost for sure. Which is why I adjust on the first shot instead of shooting groups. Man, it's killing my elbows to be lying down like this on the grass because I'm on sort of like a little bit of dead spot, so it hurts my elbows. But yeah, that's a lot closer. I think I'll move it 1 down, 1 to the right. And yeah, so 1 second. Okay, let's see how the shot is now. So, hey, dead center. That's excellent. So, now let's run up. Sorry, I accidentally stopped recording. Anyway, so that was the first shot, that was the second shot, and that was the third shot. So I got dead on, that's great. It's about a 1-inch circle, shooting from like 15 yards or so. And yeah, so now I'll try and shoot the cap off of this thing again. So now I think I should be able to do it. Ooh, yeah.